really, really cool just happened. We got in the car and drove back to my old dorm. We rang the door and lo and behold, Steph opened the door. Steph is now living in this room, but I used to live here. This is the room where I got access to my very first high-speed internet connection and where I started the Drupal project. There's a famous photo of me wearing the sombrero, working on Drupal, right here, almost 15 years ago. There was no internet in the dorm, and so we set up a wireless bridge between this room and one of my best friend's rooms on the other side of the street. Once we had this little community going there, I said, you know what? I should build a small message board so that we can stay in touch and we can talk about the status of the internet, share some stories, share some jokes, make dinner plans and all of these things. That's what basically created Drupal. So today is a very exciting day. Today is a day that we start building and developing the future for the next billion users with a project that started right here in my dorm almost 15 years ago, Drupal. Our first big moment came in 2003 when Howard Dean, presidential candidate in the United States, decided to adopt Drupal for his Dean Space platform, which would then revolutionize how people would do political campaigns. In 2004, MTV called up and they told me they were moving their site to Drupal and that they wanted to have some help. And I was like, wow, I grew up with MTV, this is so cool. And so for me that was very big, and I knew that as a community we were really onto something. In 2009, something amazing happened. Whitehouse.gov adopted Drupal, and we couldn't believe it. I still remember, we couldn't believe that an organization as important and as large as the White House would use our software. First, for Whitehouse.gov, and second, for We the People, their online petition platform. And so this gave the White House a new way to interact with every American citizen and to fulfill on their promise of the First Amendment. In 2011, we all came together at DrupalCon Chicago, 3,000 of us, and we had decided to kick off the development of Drupal 8. The web was changing, and so Drupal had to change, so that Drupal could be used for small sites run by individual bloggers, as well as for some of the largest websites in the world, like Pfizer, or the Olympics, or even the Australian government, who was moving all of their sites to Drupal. Drupal 8 is not the Drupal that you used to know. Drupal 8 changes everything we know about content management as we move from websites to digital experiences. Drupal 8 is more beautiful both internally and externally, as we've put a lot of attention into getting the developer experience and the authoring experience right. It took a lot of learning, our best thinking, and our best people to create Drupal 8, and I'm very, very proud of what we have accomplished.